Welcome to Monday Manifestation, episode 39. Thank you for being here. I'm so happy to have you here with me. Do you have your A game on? Because today we're concentrating on words that start with A, and they have to do with aligning ourselves to our higher purpose. So are you team faith or are you team fear? Okay, that is the question that you need to ask yourself. Do you have faith in yourself, and do you believe in yourself? So today we're going to focus on aligning ourselves with our purpose. It's whatever feels right. We want to attract abundance. We want to attract our A game. We want to be on our A game. We want to allow ourselves to choose team faith instead of team fear. We want to totally shut out team fear, and we want team faith to win. Faith in ourselves, believing in ourselves, and we want to not allow the opposing team to score. That's very important. We don't want them to score. As you can tell by the thumbnail, team faith is 5 and team fear is 0. Let's talk about the 3 A's that have to do with our A game. Align, attract, and allow. Let's talk about attitude. Let's talk about appearance, and let's talk about action. Attitude. Do you have the attitude? What attitude do you have? Do you have your A game on? Are you bringing your A game when you're batting up? Are you bringing your best self? Attitude. Do you believe in yourself? Do you carry yourself with confidence? A for appearance. How are you appearing when you show up to your meetings? Are you putting on your best A suit? Are you taking care of your health? Do you look well rested? Do you look capable? Is somebody going to put their faith in you? Is somebody going to put their trust in you? How are you appearing? How do you look to yourself? Are you somebody that you would hire? Action. Action. Catching the ball. Action. Pitching. Are you a strong pitcher? Are you sending out your best pitch? Get your A game on is an idiom meaning to perform your absolute best using maximum effort, focus, and skill. It signifies a highly competitive, prepared mindset, often used in sports, business, or challenging situations. It's to encourage peak performance and excellence. Getting your A game on implies that you are or need to be fully committed and performing at your highest level possible. What is the origin of this phrase, get your A game? The phrase is believed to have originated in the mid-20th century American sports, referring to athletes bringing their top-tier performance, the A team level, to a competition. While rooted in sports, it is now widely used in daily life, work, and high-stakes scenarios. You better bring your A game to the interview. Are you on your A game? Are you currently performing at your peak? It is a call to action. No excuses. You have to have a balance in life. You have to leave space for your personal life, your business life. When you're at work, you have to commit yourself to your job. When you're doing your studying, you have to set aside time to concentrate. Even if you don't have to meet anybody, you still have to have your A game on. No meeting is more important than the other, but some meetings do require that you put your A game on. 100%. You give it your absolute best. Even if you're not an athlete, you have to pretend to be. What is your favorite sport? Be a pro athlete at what you do. What is a commitment to maximum effort, an undeniable commitment, shifting from just trying to win to consistently operating at your highest potential. It requires a proactive, no excuses mindset where you take total ownership of your attitude. Your attitude dictates your altitude. A positive, resilient mindset allows you to turn difficult situations into opportunities. It is about taking ownership even when things are challenging. Define your own success. Shift from aiming for an undefined best to pursuing your best. Clarifying your core values and setting goals that align with your personal vision, not someone else's. Cultivate a growth mindset. Believe that your skills can improve through effort and persistence. View failures as learning experiences. Take absolute ownership. Stop making excuses for why things haven't worked out. Own your results, your actions, and your path. From default to action, don't let your dreams remain thoughts in your head. Commit to taking at least one practical small step towards your goals every day. Master your daily habits. High performance is driven by daily, intentional habits rather than sporadic efforts. This includes getting enough sleep, proper nutrition, movement, circulation of the body, and setting a daily routine. Perform consistently. Do not wait to bring your best only for special moments, so it becomes second nature. Be present. Control your inputs. What you consume influences your mood, energy, and actions. Be strategic about the content, social media, and people you surround yourself with. Discipline over motivation. Motivation is fleeting, but discipline keeps you moving forward, especially when things get tough. Bringing your A game means loving yourself enough to chase your potential and realizing that you are worthy of achieving your goals. Bring your best game. Don't have regrets. Follow your dreams. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't. Don't let your body stop you from achieving what your brain knows what it can do. Put one foot in front of the other. When you wake up in the morning, start moving in the direction towards where you want to be. Put yourself there. You can do it. You got this. If I have this, you have it. Let's go. Team Corin, Monday Manifestation, let's go!